Hello, and thanks for watching Inside the Box. I'm Amber with another product from National Geographic. Here is the Pro Series Metal Detector. I've always wanted to find treasure with one of these. Let's see what's inside the box.
What's in the box?
First thing I notice when I hold this is how light it is. It's only 2.3 pounds, 22 inches, and it can easily fit in my backpack when I go to the beach. And it's fully adjustable. Pinch here, and flip open the display. Pinch again, and pull open the armrest. Flip the search coil, pull this little tab, extend the telescoping rod to your height. Let's go find some treasure! Arr! Wow, it's working! Let's see what we found. Well, not a diamond ring this time, but that's the fun part of metal detecting. You never know what you're gonna find. Here's the button to discriminate out unwanted metals. This helps us sort out the trash from the treasure. For example, if you don't want it to beep at bottle caps, you just turn the aluminum off. Now the detector will focus only on higher value objects. You can adjust the level of sensitivity, the volume, and you can put it in pinpoint mode so you can easily find your target. Oh, looks like I found my microphone. There's also a learning guide with educational material and an easy-to-follow instruction guide. Well, that's all for this time with National Geographic's Pro Series Metal Detector. I'm gonna keep looking for treasure. Thanks for watching Inside the Box.
White's Electronics Metal Detectors. We build them for you. Your adventure, your story, your connection to the past. This is what drives us. It has since 1950. Over the years, we've found our treasure, our customers. So get out there and find yours.